Mike Hughes here. I'm at Genesis Scuba with this, looking at the equipment with this shark-like creature again. And we have a couple new products for Genesis as well, right?
Oh yeah, we're making a splash.
Okay.
The new Genesis Origin BCD. Great for your rental programs, entry level, get you in the water.
Since
there.
it's Genesis, wouldn't it just be BC? Okay, either way.
Yeah. We'll get you in the water scuba diving with those sharks.
Okay. So that's when you might see at a lot of dive shops for in the rental departments and others. So it's going to be a basic dive system for everybody.
Yeah, we've had a lot of dive shops interested in this one for the rentals.
Big pockets on the side, integrated weights with the easy flip out.
Oh yeah.
Or zip out pockets and the weight.
Strap there.
Okay, and then on this side, we have someone doing the Prana regulator.
It's hands-on here.
Get out of here, you're blocking people.
Hey.
She is. Leave my shark alone.
New Genesis Prana regulator.
The shark is rude.
And we got our Octo.
Have you ever known a shark that wasn't rude?
I think I'm ready for lunch.
And then we have the Centaur.
The Genesis Centauri. Our new
Centauri.
dive watch computer, Bluetooth. It's really nice for charging. You just clip the alligator clip on there, USB cord, charge.
Which is
good to
ironic
go.
because it's a dive watch, but you need an alligator cord to it. How did that work?
Alligator. I wanted to call it the shark clip personally.
I know. All right, and if they want to know more about these products, they go to genesis.com.
Genesis.com.
Perfect.
Or just, see me in the water and I'll talk about it.
Thank you.